Ted's Woodworking Projects Packages. 16,000 woodworking plans. Step-by-step videos, easily follow to build your own home furniture. Blueprints and materials list, highly detailed schematics. Covers all types of projects from large to small. Small crafts, outdoor projects, furniture designs, kids furniture and more. Ted's Woodworking Review, with pros and cons, link at the description.
I wanted to build an outdoor set, but I never really knew how, or I could never really follow the plans. So I was able to do that from Ted's system. I got all the blueprints, the plans, the materials, full color pictures, easy to follow. Everything was detailed and understandable to me because I'm a visual guy. I like to actually see it. I have a hard time actually with written instructions, but that's just me. I also signed up for his free bonuses, which is a CAD plan viewer, and I can design my own furniture on my computer.
Ted's Woodworking Review link in the description with Ted's Woodworking Review link in the description with pro and cons. Ted's Woodworking Review link